Hey there! Welcome to Homely Feast by Dolly. Hope y'all are doing good and making the best out of life. I was craving for some ice cream, and to my disappointment, there was no condensed milk or whipping cream in the house. Therefore, we decided to make a 3-ingredient ice cream recipe. Yes, you heard it right. There is no whipping cream, no fresh cream, no condensed milk, no custard powder. 3 ingredients required are milk, sugar and corn flour. So let's begin by taking 1.5 liter of full fat milk. Disclaimer, I have boiled milk in 2 different vessels because the half-liter milk packet was a day older, so just to check whether it spoils or not, I have boiled it separately. Once the milk is warm, separate a bowl of milk for mixing with corn flour. After a boil, I have mixed both the milks and continue boiling till it reduces. On the other side, you can see a pan. I've added a spoonful of ghee to roast all the dry fruits. This is optional. I'm adding just to enhance the taste. Here you can see I'm adding corn flour to the separated bowl of milk and mixing it well. Into the mixture jar, I'm adding the roasted dry fruits to make a fine powder. Now you can see the milk has reduced to half from its original portion. I'm adding almost 3 big spoons of sugar. Along with the sugar, I've added the corn flour mixture and dry fruit powder. As the mixture is going to thicken after adding the corn flour mixture, keep stirring continuously till the time we off the flame. Here you can see the consistency. It's time to off the flame and wait till it completely cools down. Once the mixture cools down, the consistency will be more thicker. Adding the mixture to the blender to get a smooth texture. Time to freeze it. Here I'm not using any molds. Into the tin I'm adding parchment paper, pouring in the ice cream mixture, toss it in the fridge. When it is semi-set, I am taking out from the freezer to insert ice cream sticks. Then toss it back, leaving it overnight or at least 6 to 8 hours to set. Time to demold. Cut them into cubes and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much I did making it. If yes, please like, share, comment and subscribe and support this newbie.